I just received my bespoke mattress.com and I'd like to show you how to open a box without damaging the mattress. So therefore I like to put this box down by using a sharp knife or a pair of scissors. I'll open the sellotape, making sure that you don't pierce the mattress underneath, and there we are. Simple as that. The mattress is inside, roll packed for your convenience, transportation. So I'll bring this out, move the box from one side, lie the mattress down, and now once again making sure that you don't damage the mattress, I will, with the scissors, open it up, keeping the scissor up so that you don't pierce the mattress inside. That is the outer layer, the protection cover. So I'll do this. That's it. Quite tough, so I'm just making sure. Lovely. That's the mattress. Put that inside. And now for the final, with the scissors again, there is the sellotape that hold the mattress together, and to move the bump. That's it. Nice and roll packed. And now we're going to the last stage, which is to open the inner layer, like so. Ideally it would be on top of your bed, doing that, and by slipping quickness, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this, that, and that's my mattress, which ideally would be on top of a base or a bed, like this, to rest and to breathe and to come back to himself, which usually takes, people say 24 hours, but within 2-3 hours the mattress should be sufficiently inflated and ready for you to sleep on. That's the end of the video.